Hi guys, it's me, Callie again, and we're gonna do an experiment that's called make your own experiment with yarn. It's kind of weird, but it's kind of cool too. So let's see what I'm gonna do first. So first, I got some yarn. I broke it up. You see, I got a bowl to put the yarn in there and to see what it looks like when it's done. And I got some floss to make it smell good. You never know because you might like it smelling. We got a little spoon, tablespoon, and more just in case if we need more stuff. And we got a plastic baggie because you're done. You might need it. Okay, now we're gonna have to have a water. So 1 second. Okay, here what we need. We're gonna pour some water in there, and then we're gonna pour it in the bowl. Okay? Or this, you never know. So let's do it first. Water first. Up to however you would like. Pour it in slowly in the bowl. Slowly. And then you're just gonna add a little tiny bit in there, pour it in. And pour it however you like. Now put the yarn inside the water. It's gonna feel a little weird, but that's how you're gonna make it. If you like, get a spoon. You're gonna mix it around. It's a spoon. Mix it. Now look what it's gonna do. It's all soggy. Like when your hands get soggy in the pool, it's the same thing. So you just have to smash it up. Now get the floss. You're gonna open it up and to a little piece and then trim it. Put it back in the case. See? Smile, you're gonna put it in there. So if you need more, it's okay. Just put it in your little one. So get it? Okay, you poured it. Now stir. Okay. Smell the water? Is it good? Yeah, it's definitely good. Because there's mint in the floss. The floss has little chemicals that help your teeth and get all the yucky stuff out. Now, we're gonna pour this in the little bowl. Okay. Now you're gonna feel the soggy thing. It doesn't mean you have to put it. You have to do this experiment. It's fun. Okay, you should have a little bit water in your bowl. And then just plug the yarn in there. You're going to have the baggie. Now you're going to pour it in the baggie. Make sure you put it over a bowl. If it has water, it's okay. But put it over the bowl. Okay. Now it's in there. It might look like something else, but it's totally what you're making. And then you shake this, and you can do this. And shake, 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 shake. Dissolving. Feels weird? That's good. If you would like, just put it in the bowl so it gets cold. You add sprinkles if you like to make it colorful. Colorful is fun. Sprinkles. Okay. If you like to put some in your hand, it's okay. Eat it. It's definitely okay. Now, pour it in a little spoon. A little bit's enough. Okay, keep it there. Shake. Now open the bag. Put the sprinkles in. We're almost done with our video. Okay, now fold it in half. Now all you have to do is try to smash the sprinkles. Or just try to make the sprinkles cool. It should look like this. Now, if you like shake it, it's so much fun. Shake it, it's so much fun. Shake it, it's so much fun. Thank you for my song. I love ballet and I love singing and dancing. It's my favorite stuff. And math. Okay. Open it up. You're gonna pour it in the bowl with the water. Okay. Get that big old goop. And we'll try to, if you can't get the sprinkles, it's okay. Just add a little bit more, okay? It's okay. By the way, I lost a lot of teeth. I have a cavity. It's okay. I'll mix it. Add a little one because you're gonna add something, a new kind, like salt. I don't know. There's so much to know. Ah! Keep mixing. If you can see, kids, you can see the mouthwash. It's losing its color. That's okay because it's supposed to be like that. Because spearmint is spearmint. So if you would like, you can feel it, but it feels a little weird. So if you don't want to, it's okay. But if you want to add this, just add sprinkles. It's like a slime, but it's not. It's so like slime. Okay. We like it. Okay? Just sprinkled it on. It's okay. Look at this. Well, you see the white part? That's the mouthwash. So keep in there for like 10 or 2 seconds. It's okay. And we're gonna get some new ingredients because I didn't get it all because I didn't even know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, it's sometimes good to know stuff you don't even know. Okay, I'll be right back. Hi. Okay. We're not gonna add anything else. And this is our another story. Our video, I mean. And here it looks like. Goodbye. Oh, just play. It's so much fun.